Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error a Java exception has occurred. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Here, click on Java C Development Kit. In this new window, you will go to the Windows section in the most current version. Click on the link to download the executable. Once the download is complete, click on the file. Click Yes to authorize the installation. In the wizard, define the path where it will be installed. Click Next to begin the Java installation and thereby correct this error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.